Google and Apple, two of tech's biggest rivals, are teaming up to help with coronavirus contact tracing. This is an unprecedented partnership, but also one that raises some concerns. Deirdre Bosa is here with those details. Deirdre.
So, Kelly, that is key. For contact tracing to work, it needs widespread adoption, and nearly everyone in America and even the world use either an Apple or a Google operating system. So that means that there is no app that you need to download. It's already here right in your phone. Now, the method uses Bluetooth technology that tracks whether phones have been within a certain distance of each other using anonymous identifier beacons. Now, of course, there is a privacy part to all of this, which you alluded to, Kelly. A tracking system run by big tech would have been unthinkable here in the United States just a few weeks ago. So Apple and Google trying to get ahead of some of those concerns. For one, this system would be decentralized. Users would have to opt in and voluntarily report infections. Locations and personal information will not be collected. Now, I spoke to one privacy expert, a senior research fellow, Brent Sorkup. He notes that this service reveals far less than user information than the typical mapping, dating, or restaurant review apps that most Americans do use regularly. Now, critics, however, they point to the enormous reach that these two companies have already to be able to use such a system and use it so effectively, and say that this could only be the start. This could be a slippery slope where they collect more data for other uses in the future.
No, this is going to be one of the trickiest national conversations I think we have between how to reopen for coronavirus, needing this kind of partnership and not having it be too intrusive. So let me put that entirely aside, Deirdre, for now and ask you about this news from Amazon today that the company's going to start to resume shipping of non-essential items. What do we know?